I was about to ride off with the scooter not even started. Raw ice everywhere. Right, and immediately right. You're looking at I'll park this, yes, sir.
Yeah, but I think all of them they send it back because they sent it back yesterday.
These opening times are so shit. He said they're online 8 AM to 7 PM today, so it's a good thing I never got lazy and I'll go after 12. The other day it got a puncture, so I had to just put the puncture proof thing on the back. Ordered one jacket from ARNE clothing, see if it goes. Thank you. Lovely, boss. Thanks a lot, yeah. See that, Ross? Totally forgot to bring a bag. Oh my god. How we're going to do this one here? So in between my legs, I hope it's not going to pull off the logo. He did it the whole way, you know. I'm actually sick. Alright, guys, my fingers are frozen. It's not too bad. Whoa, look how this is positioned. Look. Could have been stitched a bit better, but okay, it's not bad.
Not too bad.
But look, the zip,
2 pockets.
The zip is nice. Oh, that's not too deep, but it's decent, you know. Wallet, license. It feels a bit premium. I'm not gonna lie, like a metal thing a bit. Like it feels like stainless steel. Like it's nice. Alright, if I adjust my shoes, sure. This debate, yeah, is going crazy. So look, imagine, yeah, he just stopped on a junction box to let a fella go. Because I said, don't do it again because the road, you could have got a ticket. He said, nah, man, I didn't know. So did you check your test? On the test, it says don't stop in the junction box unless your exit road is clear.
You only stop in the junction when you're turning right.
He's trying to say you can only stop in the junction when you're turning right. Now I'm trying to say you can only stop in the junction when the exit road is clear. So whether it be straight ahead.
If it's clear, you wouldn't need to stop.
Oh yeah, true. But true, that's a true one. Okay, it could be going left.
Straight enough.
Yeah. Could be going left. Bumper seat, I should have told you go that way, go over. Draw it up. Yeah, man. Shove down on it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so what? Let me so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. What you lot think about this one, man. Yeah, bumbo clat idiot. Bumbo clat, do you bumbo party face? Bumbo clat, that. Make me upset my bumbo clat man in that. Thank you here. Yo, what is some idiot? Yo, take it. Yo, it's the best way to go. Rubber eye on that. Keep go, dog. You have to bully them, draw them, slow down now. Yeah, man. You have to bully them, dog. I saw you have to bully them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Make a draw. for go place, yeah, man. I'm teaching them bad habits, you know. Where should we go? Should we go left or right? What yo, watch my man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, cut it, yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah. You know what I mean? Whoa, this guy breaks like he's fucking like, what are you doing, fam? Emergency brake checks or something. You see all those cars lining up for to get a car wash. Is that how mad there's no car washes open? You can't just get hose and water from their house. Yo, bomber clad, yo. Definitely need for God Jamaica, dog. Follow the white man. Yeah. Back in through Rubber Eye. Yeah, no picture now, just like, nah, man, you look, without makeup, you look like water, fam. No, when me always say, after you're not born with no lace wig, bomber clock there. Yo. Oh, that was mad. Go on, no bomber clap, pussy. Boy, you idiot. No, this one, yeah, boss.
This one?
Yeah, man. Grab it.
It's just.
You got a good parker. You're a good parker still. You got no curbs or none of your rules. Why would you do that in front of a truck? That's therefore a yard you driving at. Look, why the fuck would you do that? In front of a truck. My man ain't got time to wait. See that? No one cares about your car. Man just pulled out in front of the Vela, you know. You should have tore it off.
These fucking Priuses, man. It's so weird.
Yeah. Look what you did to my man. Damn, you know. That's... Guys, I'm pleased to say at least I know I've connected up everything correctly.